this doesn't actually look bad. Hey guys, okay, so it is time to get this hair done. I'm done looking like Pippi. I did dye my hair a couple of days ago, so I kind of just wanted to give it a rest. This will be in 2024 for you, but it's still 2023 for me. So I have to get this hair together for New Year's Eve. If you're a church kid, you know, we got to get ready for church. And I wanted to try a new product combo, new styling techniques, just new. Happy New Year. But no, so since I dyed my hair, I feel like it will look a little bit better, but it's still very thin. And so something I've never done is like really stretched my hair often. I've done it like a couple of times and I don't pick it out. Like I kind of just leave it and, oh, you know, this doesn't actually look bad. All I put on my hair was the Paul Mitchell leave-in, and it needs something. It needs some tender, loving care. So I really just wanted to try something different as far as like styling goes, because I really don't like how thin my hair looks. So step one was color. Step two is just trying a different styling technique and different product combos. Since my hair is completely dry, I'm just gonna wet it down just a little. Actually just gonna go all over this section with the styling cream because I actually already have a leave-in in my hair. It's just dry now. Ooh, I probably used way too much. Whoops. Get my roots a little bit more wet. So one thing I don't like to do is like mix products on my hand. Like I don't like mixing the leave-in and like the styler on my hand, because I feel like then it's on my hands for the next section and I don't like to wipe my hands. So I'm just gonna put this all over and then we'll get into the gel. It said that this provides medium hold while maintaining moisture and elasticity. I definitely get the moisture. Thing, but the hold, like, I don't know about all that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Big Papa, and I thought about just putting it all over the section, but because I started on dry hair, I feel like I will do better with sectioning it and making sure I get my roots. So I'm going to do subsections within the sections. And if you don't know what the Big Papa looks like, it's just very clear and whoop. It's very thick, but I've used it before. I've also used the styling cream before, but never together. And I did test it out on my hand before applying this, and I used them separately with other things. I used this cream with the Texture ID Styling Custard, and it gave me a very fluffy wash and go. And then I can't remember what I tried this Big Papa with already, and that also gave me a fluffy wash and go. So I'm thinking this is just going to be a very moisturized, fluffy wash and go. Here's kind of what I'm getting. It goes on very nicely though. Like the way these two feel together, it feels really good. Now I don't know how it's going to turn out when I blow dry it, but so far it feels good. But I've been very intentional about getting my roots, because my roots are growing in way thicker than the rest of my hair is, like my older hair. And so I've been having to make sure I put product on my roots. So this Texture ID styling cream says it's for curly to coily hair types, and the 3 and 4 are highlighted on there. I picked it up because I like that it said cocoa butter and shea butter, and I really wanted to try something different as far as ingredients that I use, because I don't use very many things with cocoa butter and shea butter. And it says that it was good. It says that it's good for retaining moisture and elasticity, which is something I was drawn to because my hair tends to be really dry, and I am working on getting it back to its healthiest state. And as I was applying it, I could see the elasticity part because my hair was feeling very like limp, very moisturized but very limp after I dyed it and deep conditioned it. So I can definitely see that part of it. And it says it's ideal for curls that need extra control and conditioning. I don't know about the control, but I do see the condition part. And if I had to rate this for thickness, I would say it's like kind of in the medium range. It is like a whippy texture, and on the packaging it also says that it's an ultra rich whipped cream. And it says that it's great for twist outs and rod sets and protective styles, even though I'm a wash and go girly, and so I definitely used it as a wash and go. but yeah, my hair was definitely feeling the conditioning effects of this styling cream. And I'm not sure if I would use it as a leave-in to say. I still think I would put a leave-in under it, which is inadvertently what I did because I styled my hair on a protective style that I left leave-in on my hair already. So the Do Big Papa Defining Gel, this is for all curl types, and it says it defines even the tightest curls while fighting frizz and humidity. No need for layering. It says it's built-in conditioner, soften hair for touchable curls with no crunch or flaking. I have never tried this by itself, and now I'm a little intrigued and I kind of want to try it by itself. And I feel like the Do's products are known for like not needing a leave-in, even though they have a lot of leave-ins in this line. So I definitely need to come back and try it just by itself and see how it does. And it says it fights frizz and humidity. We shall see, because my hair, there's not very much hold to it when I did it before. So yeah, we'll see. And it says it's good for wash and goes, twists, braids, TWAs, finger waves, slick styles, and ponytails. So all right, these little pieces, my edges are finally coming back. And these little pieces are so funny. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving black. Like, I can see the difference. So anyways, I'm gonna let this air dry just a little. Okay, it's been like an hour and my hair is still very damp, and normally my hair dries very quickly. I don't know if it's the color or the product, but I'm gonna go ahead and just diffuse it. I'm gonna use this Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. I've been using this. It is a heat protectant. I mostly use it on my straight hair, but I've been using it when I diffuse my hair here lately, and so hopefully this helps it blow dry a little bit faster. Do high speed, the medium heat on these settings. Alright, so we are about 95, we might even be 98% dry. So I'm going to try to stretch it. I stretched my hair a couple of times within the past year. And I don't know, I'm always afraid I'm going to lose my definition. Like, do y'all see this? I'm always afraid if you keep touching that you're going to lose your definition and like all the hard work you put in. But in order to get the look that I'm going for, I feel like I'm just gonna have to just go for it. And we're experimenting, right? But y'all, my hair feels so good. So good. Oh my God. Okay, I am gonna put a little oil in my hands because I don't want to like really disturb it. And grab my Bond Bar #7 bonding concentrate. I'm just put a little of that on my hands and my hair. This is actually supposed to be a heat protectant also, and it's supposed to help with like damage, frizz, flyaways. So I just wanted to put a little of that on my hands before I go in. And the thing about that bonding concentrate that I like versus like the Curlsmith one that I also really like is that this one doesn't specify that you can't use it on wet hair. The Curlsmith, I'll put it up on the screen, but I can't think of the exact name, that I really liked. I could only put it on my hair once my hair was done or at night before I go to bed. You can't put it on wet hair, so that's the only thing. All right, let's see. It's starting to get crazy. Completely stretched, y'all. So I was gonna pick it, and I still might pick it a little, but the black, I'm telling y'all, the black does wonders. When I dyed my hair, that was the answer to like the look of my hair. Now this is just one time that I'm styling it since I dyed it, so I don't know how I will really look as far as like my curls and how thick they look and how healthy my hair looks. Like, you know, I need to try the Dew Honey Curl Custard or Curly Custard, whatever it's called, because that makes my hair so crunchy and defined that it looks so just thin and lifeless. So that's the true test. I'm gonna try that one out. But for now, I'm gonna get the pig just to try it. Like I said, I really don't think I need this now because my hair like doesn't feel like as thin and like see-through, but you know, we're just playing it. I'm looking at myself in the mirror over here. 2024 is about to be a good year for my hair. Woo! Y'all, my hair has not looked this good in years. This side stays curlier than this side always. Like, I don't care how many times I get my hair cut, this side's gonna be a little bit longer and this side's gonna be a little bit curlier. And I think I might start, I don't know, we'll see. I might start wearing my hair flipped to the other side just to help combat that. But y'all, my hair looks so good. For real, y'all. Like, okay, my hair has not looked like this since like pre-COVID, beginning of COVID. When I started fostering and stopped taking care of myself, that's when my hair fell off. I'm gonna post a picture of how nice and thick and beautiful my hair was. My hair ain't looked like that since then. Let me, y'all, fresh cut, fresh color, new styling techniques. We stretching, a little bit of, you know, picking. I'm telling you, when I did that color, I said it's gonna make my hair pop and it's gonna make me want to do my hair. I want to style my hair. Okay, y'all, I am done being silly. And I haven't even like laid my edges or nothing. Like, even though I don't do a very good job at laying my edges, but I do at least like slick it down a little so it's not just so frizzy in the front. But y'all, like, all Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried this product combo or if you're interested in trying it down below. And what are you doing to your hair different in 2024? What's your switch up this year? I truly am trying to embrace my curls and get them to the healthiest state I can. And I think this fresh color at the beginning of the year is exactly what I needed. And I can't wait to start playing with more of my products and really just going through my stash and finding those combos and those products that I truly, truly love. Kind of narrowed down my stash, and I cleaned out things I didn't like, things I didn't use, so that I could go through all my new products. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Happy New Year, and I can't wait to see what 2024 has for us. Bye, guys.